hear the turbo whistle with the straight pipe, but Richard doesn't like the raspiness of it, so we're actually going to throw his resonator back on and see how that sounds like, and sound what that sounds like.
It's going to give you a different taste of what you might want with your exhaust system. I need a 4.5.
I feel like it's pretty standard because of the guard.
Oh, never mind.
What's that?
That's another cut off.
This will cut this shit off.
Think so?
Oh, that's kind of thin though.
Yeah, but I wanted just a grinder just so we can have one to fuck around with.
So there's no.
If I need some piping, I'll just get it off of this one.
No GTI key. We'll just take it off of Alejandro stock shit.
Right.
Take a tip or two.
I'll take that section.
Hey, pull this tip off real fast. Let's test fit it on your car. Is it 10 mil?
10 mil?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes a fucking laugh.
What? Oh, I don't think it'll. I don't think it'll make a sound difference. This right here.
Is that the one?
Yeah. I don't know what I was just filming. Probably my fucking mouth. Pull this tip off. Pull it off of this side.
That one?
So we can flip that clamp. Even though we gotta take it off again to fix his Y pipe. There's ASMR right there too.
Almost ate a whole exhaust. Give me that bastard. He's not gonna notice.
Here at Sleepy VRT, we just harvest parts from each other's cars because what they won't know won't hurt them.
True.
All right, let's see. Let's
Just
test
put one of them stock ones back.
Damn,
dude, no wonder his shit's smaller.
Well, that's a fucking fail.
Right?
That's like a super fail, like on multiple levels of fail.
No bullshit.
That means his is not 2.5 inch. It's like 2 1/4.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh well, he's getting a new Y pipe. Well, that failed. Fucking thanks, Alejandro.
That makes me feel a little bit better.
Yo, did that one tip fell off? You took it off.
What?
That one tip.
You changed it.
No, what are you talking about? It's different.
That's the new Y pipe?
No,
you changed it.
Off and put it in Richard's car.
No, go look at Richard's car. He doesn't have a tip.
You talking about?
Yo,
You guys took it off.
the audio is like fucking up on this older GoPro. I think it's the USB port right here.
What are you talking about? When I get my Richard shirt.
This is a test run with this GoPro.
Y'all can know there like you had the fucking 10 millimeter fucking range.
God damn it, Richard! You fucked up everything, Richard!
That's what you get for trying over again.
It's dirty. On your elbow. On your elbow.
Fucking gave it away.
So in the previous video, we tried to prank Alejandro, but there was no fucking audio. So it was like a waste. I'll dub it in again.
But you couldn't.
It'll be like whatever. But he figured it out quick because Richard left the murder weapon at the scene of the crime. Yep. Seems legit. Alright, let's hear how this thing sounds. Ollie doesn't know that we're fucking his exhaust up. So now we're gonna remove the resonator delete chop off where they put the straight pipe on because they welded it on. Clean up the welds, reclamp it, and see what we got.
Yo, this is where you get $150 exhaust. Nah, 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 nah.
This is why I don't believe in exhaust shops. Just buy the shit that people do real research and development on. Dude, this is fucking bogus.
Look at that shit, yo.
All the bends are fucking jacked.
Look at that shitty ass fucking welds.
Like, fuck the welds. Look at the shitty ass bends, dude. No wonder it sounds like a dick hole.
Look at that shit.
Yo, this is Mickey Mouse as fuck, dude.
It opens up here, then it closes. I mean, that's where that is the bend, but.
Okay.
About to start fighting this piece of shit fight. Yeah, piece of shit.
Or we can get the saws on, just chop this bitch up real quick.
No, we need the grinder.
Yeah.
Put the other blade on it. Yo, that shit is fucking Bojangle, dude.
Hey, how much did you pay for?
Too much.
For what?
For a fucking fence post.
This is a waste of money. Boy, you cannot return this shit. See, I don't get that problem. I buy real shit. I thought you were talking shit about Richard taking it out. Why you took it out?
So I can get the flames
You gonna
closer to your
fuck
car.
on my car.
Yeah. That's why I did it. So when the welds pop off and they shoot out, they'll
It's
put
okay.
a hole in your door.
We'll trade the car in. You give me the R, I give you this one.
That's all you. Shit, fucking throwing shit all in my face.
Motherfucker.
I get scared. I'm in my shit.
You almost got a shoulder yet.
Motherfucker, I'm gonna jump like this.
How'd that go again? So we gave up on the sawzall. I mean grinder, because the welds are super thick, and we don't have like face shields and shit. Like metal is flying up in our face. So Richard's gonna try and cut it with the sawzall now.
Ready?
Huh.
Damn, them welds are thick.
This one on the side.
So the welds are so thick that look at the blade. Well, why the fuck you do that? Now it's gonna be hot as fuck.
Just like that sauce. Yeah.
Okay. This is what $150 gets you. Just buy the real shit, man. Just buy the real shit.
Buy the real shit so you don't have to do it.
Buy real shit like I do.
So the whole point of this was to get a sound clip for you guys, but then the microphone fucked up, so I don't even know if we have a real sound clip for you. So it could have all been for nothing. Take two.
It's got that Diablo bit on there. You got it?
I swear I can burn your fucking toes.
He doesn't need them.
Yeah, it's Mickey Mouse mechanics over here, boy. So I'm gonna buff out this fucking thing right here.
I just lost
A fuck ton?
about an inch. And I looked back like the motherfucker was gonna kill me and shit.
Dude, I can't believe a professional exhaust shop would do shit like this.
Hey, don't go to high flow. Do some shit.
Don't go to High Flow Customs.
They're gonna fuck up your exhaust.
They don't even know what mandrel bending is. Look how flat it is right here. You see this? It's flat as fuck right here. It's pretty hot. Show them the welds right here. Professional exhaust shop welds right there, boy.
Boy, look at that shit.
Over here at Sleepy Dub VRT Garage, we waste our money so you don't have to waste yours.
What do you think Big Rich was gonna keep that on the whole time?
This
No.
janky piece of shit. This joint look like a ramen. This shit look like a ramen noodle. What? We're just gonna put the exhaust back the way we had it until we come up with a better solution for a straight pipe out the back.
Not being cheap though.
We're not gonna run no janky shit like that.
Custom shop here, right?
We don't run janky shit over here.
Where's your shirt at though?
Okay, gang, gang. It's too quiet now.
Too quiet, Richard.
Hey, turn it on.
Turn it on, man.
Did the okay.
Richard, rev it up some. Richard, rev it up some.
How are you filming with a shaky ass hand?
Oh, you right.
Just in blanco. Okay. The girl's having a she's seizure.
Tengo un sueño. Si tocas en Miami.
What's that? What's that? Where's the vroom vroom? Where's the vroom vroom? Where's the vroom vroom? Oh. Okay, come on. So that's a wrap on Project Fail, making Richard louder than Alejandro.
Can't go cheap, man.
Womp, 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 womp.